Hello everybody, welcome to News of China for January the 13th. I'm your host Lu Yang. This is ETV News right now. Global top online security software maker Symantec Corporation on Friday announced a partnership with China's internet search leader Baidu.com Inc. to promote its products in the world's second largest web market. Chinese consumers will be able to buy Symantec's flagship Norton antivirus products, which help guard against the viruses, spyware, and internet worms from websites. China ranks behind the United States as the world's second largest internet market with over 120 million users. Sino-Forest Corporation shares rose nearly 22% Friday after the Toronto area timberlands operator in China revealed it has been approached by two major international financial companies about a possible investment or takeover. Stock in the Mississauga, Ontario company rose $1.94 to close at $10.87, a gain of 21.72%. in heavy trading of nearly 3.6 million shares after an earlier trading halt. With 190 million shares outstanding, Friday's share surge gave the little-known company in Canada a stock market value of nearly $1.3 billion. In another development Friday, Sino-Forest said Ki Wong had resigned as vice chairman and as a director after deciding to leave Hong Kong, where he helped implement the company's Asian growth strategy. He will stay on as a consultant during the transition and to help the company on selected projects up to June the 30th. Asia Info Holdings entered an agreement Friday to develop China Unicom's national pushmail mobile email system, which allows users to send and receive emails and view multimedia attachments while on a mobile device. Terms of the deal were not disclosed. Shares of Asia Info, which is based in Santa Clara, California, were recently trading about its 52-week high at $8.68, up 12% or 93 cents on heavy volume. The deal follows several others the company has signed within the last 3 months. Asia Info has been inking deals with China's leading telecommunications companies, including China Telecom and China Mobile. Microsoft Corporation said Friday Fredbird Wall replaced Gong Li as managing director of Windows Live China, a research and development team in the country, in early December. Gong is exploring other career opportunities, a Microsoft China spokesman said, adding Wall, 47 years old, had been a senior director of the team before being named its head. The spokesman said Gong is still a member of the Windows Live China team, but would not comment on why the personnel change took place or on Gong's career plans. Intel plans to invest in a major new plant in China to make leading-edge chips, its biggest investment in the country to date, two sources with knowledge of the plan said. The plant will make 65-nanometer multi-core processors, and this would make it Intel's first such manufacturing facility in Asia. One source said the investment in the new plant would total a couple $billion. Both sources declined to give further details of the project, such as the location and timing, although one said the investment could be announced in coming months. Intel, which has invested about $1 billion in China to date, already has major test and assembly plants in Shanghai and the interior city of Chengdu. China surged past Japan to become the world's #2 vehicle market after the United States last year, as car purchases by newly affluent drivers jumped 37%, the Chinese Auto Industry Association said Thursday. China Association of Automobile Manufacturers said China's overall vehicle sales, including trucks and buses, rose 25.1% to 7.2 million units last year. Passenger car sales rose to 3.8 million. The Chinese car boom is driven by economic growth that is estimated to have reached 10.5% last year. China's Shanghai Composite Index finished sharply lower in Friday trading, with declines centered in banking, steel, and utilities. The index shed 102 points, or 3.7%, to close 2,668.11, after falling as much as 4.2% as intraday low. Analysts said the declines were to be expected after strong gains over the last month. The pullback was also connected to a reduction in new domestic mutual funds coming to market. The Financial Times reported Friday Chinese securities regulators were delaying approval of several new funds in an effort to slow investment flows into the A-share market. The Shanghai Composite Index, which tracks A and B shares listed in Shanghai, surged 130% last year. This is the news for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.